Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Andrew Warren, and in today's video, we're going to be doing another transparency update as always. And if you're new here, that just includes me talking about my gains and my losses for every single stock market day, and also for the subscribers just to address why I didn't upload yesterday. Many of you all know that my sleep schedule is ridiculous. Sometimes I'll be uploading like 2, 3, 5, 6 a.m. in the morning just because my sleep schedule is so ridiculous. So just to explain why I didn't upload yesterday, I actually ended up sleeping like 24 hours straight because just a few days ago I pulled an all-nighter to fix my sleep schedule so that I could upload earlier in the day for you all, like 5, 8, 10 p.m. for all 3 videos. And so I pulled an all-nighter so I could do that. I uploaded those videos for that day. And then yesterday it finally all caught up to me. I stayed up until like 6 a.m. yesterday morning, fell asleep, and did not wake up until probably like 2 p.m. today. So I ended up sleeping like way longer than I expected. I slept through like 20 of my alarms and everything. So I'm really sad that I wasn't able to keep that consistency there yesterday. But I hope y'all understand, it's mostly because I've just been trying to keep it consistent lately, and my sleep schedule is already so messed up just because of the fact that I tried to fix my upload schedule a few days ago. But anyways, that's the explanation for yesterday. Sorry I missed out on the portfolio update, but fortunately I don't think anything crazy happened yesterday. Just keep in mind it's going to be difficult for me to reference anything yesterday because I did not look at the market one time yesterday just because of the fact that I was asleep before it opened and I was asleep after it closed. So this is like the first time I'm seeing the market since the day before yesterday. So anyways, basically that's my sleep schedule. I slept way too late because I pushed the limits on my sleep schedule and then it finally caught up to me. So anyways, as always, if you all do enjoy these transparency update videos, please make sure to smash that like button. I really do appreciate it. And don't worry, the upload consistency should be back on track now. I think we're good to go. But just addressing the portfolio, we are at $148,091.19. And for today, we lost around 4.15% for Tesla stock. That's minus $6,416.77. And then in the after hours, we are at minus 0.10%. That's minus $150.55. So actually a little bit of a pullback for Tesla stock today. Nothing too crazy, but this is still pretty notable in the sense that it's not just your typical 1 to 2% pullback. This is actually a pretty decent pullback. So the 15th was on Tuesday. That's when we had that really good day of growth. And then ever since the 15th, we got a slight downturn on the 16th. And then we got more of a downturn today on the 17th. So like I said, I don't really know much about the 16th just because of the fact that basically the market ended on the 15th. I stayed up late until the early mornings on the 16th at around 5 a.m. and then fell asleep until like 3 p.m. today or something like that. So basically it's almost as if this market day never existed for me since I slept all the way through it. It's kind of crazy because today almost feels like a Wednesday, but we did have a general downturn yesterday and then it seems like it's continuing today. And so I think a little bit of the reasoning for this movement with Tesla stock today is because of the fact that we have the normal stock market going down as well. So we have NASDAQ, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Adobe, Shopify, Nvidia, Google, all in the red today. And even NASDAQ is actually significantly in the red at minus 2.25%. Apple is at minus 1.64%. Amazon took a little bit of a hit at minus 2.43%. Nvidia is actually not down too much considering the fact that the last time we had a day like this, it was down like 13%. So Tesla seems to be the one today that has a bigger drop today compared to pretty much everything else. So exploring the idea of whether we could see a pullback for Tesla stock, honestly, this is something that is possible, but I feel like as we start to get a little bit closer to Battery Day, I'm talking like as we start to get to Friday and Monday and Tuesday, then we could possibly see a little bit of an increase in the share price. And I know we are getting pretty close to it with today being the 17th, but as I predicted in my previous videos, if the general stock market continues with a downtrend and just the stock market in general is not performing well, then that could affect the lead up to this event with Tesla stock. So since the general market is not doing very well, then it makes it a little bit more difficult for Tesla to do well also. So I think that is contributing to one of the reasons why Tesla stock is in the red today. Of course, we have had a sell-off recently just because of the most recent run-up. If you look at the past chart, we are almost at the previous peak if you count September 15th compared to August 31st. So we're actually getting close to where we were at previously. So in terms of, are we seeing a Tesla stock pullback? Well, given yesterday and today, we are seeing a slight bit of a pullback right now. However, this is like one of those short-term events that really matters in the sense that we have a few more days before Battery Day, and if there is going to be a Tesla stock surge, I think it will happen sometime before Battery Day, on Battery Day, or just slightly a little bit after Battery Day, as in like 1 or 2 days afterwards. So the afterwards part depends on how big the announcements are on Battery Day. Now, you will have some people playing on Tesla stock as if it's an earnings report for a quarter or something like that, where people are buying if they are expecting good things, and they either sell on or the day before the event just so they can get some quick gains. Some people like to wait until after the event. However, with Tesla Battery Day, this is a very different situation than just an earnings report, and there's honestly that possibility of them announcing something totally huge that would make short-term traders regret selling Tesla early instead of just holding for the long term like I do. So I'm honestly getting really excited about Battery Day, and I also think that today is the day that my broker is supposed to add all of my funding into Tesla stock. So as many of you know, I recently sold a position in American Funds AGTHX. They were supposed to sell that yesterday, and then today they were supposed to buy Tesla stock with it. So fortunately, Tesla stock is down today for them to be able to use my Roth IRA money to put it into Tesla. But like I said, this isn't just a pretty big drop on Tesla stock. This is also a notable drop with NASDAQ. VOO actually isn't down too much, but NASDAQ is down, Apple is down a little bit, Amazon is down significantly, Microsoft is down slightly, Adobe not too much, Shopify just a little bit, Nvidia just a little bit, but we don't really have any ones that are down significantly like with Tesla unless you look at Square. So not too bad of a day in the general stock market, but it's still just that typical downturn that we're seeing, given that yesterday with Tesla as well, we saw another red day. So this is just pretty much a healthy pullback in my opinion, because a lot of times with Tesla stock, Tesla does a pretty solid job of teaching short sellers and short-term traders a lesson. However, they also affect the market with days like today where it's going down and things like that, because we have a lot of people taking profits, a lot of people not buying and holding for the long term. However, generally, if you just look at the chart for Tesla, Tesla is winning in the long term. So that's the good thing. And the more short-term traders that we can get away from Tesla stock, that means it opens it up for a lot more long-term traders, making the shares almost become a bit more rare, therefore driving the share price up, because more people would be wanting to buy than the amount of people wanting to sell. But regardless, I'm actually really excited as we are getting closer to Battery Day. Soon enough, I will have some more funds to put into Tesla stock. But as I said in Tuesday's video, I recently bought around $3,800 in Tesla stock. I almost said yesterday, but I keep forgetting that I slept all the way through yesterday. But yeah, like I said, I went to the bank on Tuesday. I think I spent around $3,783 on Tuesday. So as you can see, I spent $3,783 on 8.53 shares at a price of $443.22. And then also here's a little bit of a sneak peek today where I spent $44.48 on 0.102 shares at a share price of $435.61. So I'm actually still buying, and so any chance that I get where I actually have some cash on the sidelines to put into the stock market, then I'm just dollar cost averaging that money into Tesla stock, and I honestly think that's the way to go. But anyways, just breaking down the gains and losses for today, as you can see, I'm currently at minus 4.24%. That's minus $6,560.20. And then for the total return, I'm at plus 47.42%. That's plus $47,637.82. So still, we're pretty far into the gains, and the only reason that this gain percentage is so low for me is because I've added a lot of positions for Tesla stock recently, in the sense that it used to be over 120% in gains, but considering the fact that I added so much money into it lately, it brought down the gain percentage. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Just wanted to share some thoughts. As I said previously, if the stock market does continue just the general downturn, then we might not see that big of a lead up with the share price growing until Battery Day. However, if Friday ends up being green and then Monday's green as well, then I think Tesla might have a good time in terms of growing its share value prior to Battery Day, just because if people aren't generally worried about the stock market itself and they also want to get in on some Tesla stock, then at that point it seems like it would make sense to see a lot of people buying it before Battery Day, considering that there is so much hype around this right now. Elon Musk recently announced stating that it was pretty much going to be insane, so a lot of excitement going on right now. But hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure to smash that like button if you did, and also feel free to sign up to Robinhood and Webull in the description below. If you sign up on my referral link, you'll get some free stocks, and especially with Webull right now, you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400, and all you have to do is deposit $100 into your account and use my referral link, and you can take that $100 right back out right after you get your free stocks. So just want to let you all know about that, but I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week.